Jesse here to teach you all the basics of landscape lighting. There are two types of lighting, line voltage and low voltage. Line voltage requires licensed electricians to install, while low voltage can be installed by anyone. The first major component of a lighting system is the fixture. It not only houses the light source, but helps to direct the light towards the area you wish to illuminate. The next major component of a 12-volt lighting system is your transformer. No, not Optimus Prime, but rather the 120-volt power supply that converts your line voltage current down to 12-volt AC. The final two components of your system are your wire and your wiring connectors. These are what carry the power out from your transformer to the fixtures in the yard. Spotlights are the most common type of landscape light. These use beams of light to highlight specific key features throughout your landscape. Any spotlight with a 60-degree beam angle or wider is known as a floodlight. These use large pools of light to illuminate large, broad areas with a single fixture. Path and area lights are used as guiding lights to illuminate walkways and pathways. They can also be used in large flower beds to illuminate areas with lots of ground vegetation. Hardscape fixtures are used when you need a low-profile fixture to highlight specific architectural features. In-ground lights are used in uplighting situations that require the light source to remain hidden. Underwater lights are specifically designed to be fully or partially submerged year-round. They are typically used in fountains or ponds. Downlights are spotlights or floodlights that are designed specifically to be oriented in a downward position. Specialty lights are designed for specific tasks that may be hard to illuminate with other standard fixtures. These lights include bistro lights, tiki torch lights, and even decorative area lights. There are two main fixture classes. You've got integrated and lamp ready. Integrated fixtures have an LED board built into them, which speeds up installation because there's no bulb to install. The downside to integrated fixtures is that because they are integrated, if one should fail, then the entire fixture has to be replaced as opposed to just a bulb. Retrofit fixtures take a bulb, which allows for much more customization within your lightscape, but they require the extra step of choosing and installing a bulb for each fixture. There are several lighting terms that you're going to need to know. There's beam angle, color temperature, lumen output, wattage, and efficacy. Beam angle refers to the spread of light from the luminaire. This is chosen based on the task at hand and how wide the light needs to spread. Sometimes the beam spread is fixed based on the fixture's unique shape, as it is with area lighting. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin and refers to how warm or cool the lighting is. Most lighting ranges from as low as 2000 K, which is very warm like a candle's light, up to 5000 K, which is a stark whitish blue. Typical applications call for 2700 K light, which is most similar to that of traditional incandescent lighting. Lumen output is the amount of illumination provided, or simply, how bright it is. Wattage is the amount of energy used by a fixture, and is an important number to keep track of. Add up the wattage of all of your fixtures or bulbs, and then determine the closest transformer to that wattage. Multiply the transformer's wattage by 80% in order to keep a 20% buffer from maximum capacity, as recommended by most manufacturers. If you are still within the transformer's maximum capacity, you can use that transformer. If not, you will need to step up to the next size. Efficacy is a ratio that compares power consumption to light output. This is measured in lumens per watt. The reason efficacy is important is because a lot of bulbs are listed by wattage equivalents, which is how brightness was traditionally understood. Because LEDs are so efficient, they can produce a lot more lumens while utilizing much less power or wattage. What this means, as an example, is that a 5-watt bulb may have a 30-watt halogen equivalence due to its high efficacy. There are various mounting options to choose from. Most of the time, all you're going to need is a simple hammer stake. However, if that's not an option for where you're mounting, you can use something such as our surface mount or any other mounts that we carry. Now that we've got the basics down, let's take a look and see what it takes to plan a system in the next video.